Welcome to the NewsRamp Technology Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Friday morning, October 10th, 2025, and we have a lineup of technology headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So, grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Benzinga and Stakeholder Labs launch Marketopolis, a video podcast connecting public company execs with next-gen investors. Benzinga and Stakeholder Labs have teamed up to launch Marketopolis, a video podcast connecting public company executives with next-gen investors. The series gives investors insight into how CEOs think about modern markets, retail investors, and digital communication. Powered by SoFi, Marketopolis aims to bridge the gap between C-suite leadership and everyday investors. The first episodes will feature CEOs from Grindr, Lovesac, the Arena Group, and Bark. Each episode goes beyond quarterly results to explore CEOs' personal relationships with money, investing, and leadership philosophies. Marketopolis fills the need for direct access to decision-makers for retail investors and offers fresh ideas for financial communication strategies. Benzinga's distribution will ensure the show reaches millions of investors worldwide, providing authentic leadership insights to a broad audience.
Holidays expected to earn e-commerce firms $253 billion. Holiday shopping is set to reach new heights this year, as online sales are expected to hit a record $253.4 billion, according to Adobe's latest forecast. This marks a 5.3% increase compared to last year. Mobile phones, artificial intelligence, social media, and generous discounts are shaping how Americans shop online during the festive season. Major e-commerce players like Alibaba Group Holding Limited are likely to be testing and fine-tuning their systems to take full advantage of this surge in online shopping.
Biomed News breaks Nutriband Inc. NTRB partners with Brand Institute to develop global brand identity for AVERSA FENTANYL. Nutriband Inc. has partnered with Brand Institute to develop a global brand identity for AVERSA FENTANYL, its lead product utilizing AVERSA abuse-deterrent transdermal technology. Brand Institute, a global leader in pharmaceutical brand name development, will create the commercial brand name and visual identity for the product. AVERSA FENTANYL is designed to deter misuse and reduce accidental opioid exposure, potentially becoming the world's first abuse-deterrent opioid patch. Brand Institute, with a 75% share of global drug name approvals, will lead the initiative alongside its regulatory subsidiary, Drug Safety Institute, staffed by former FDA, EMA, Health Canada, USAN, and WHO officials. Tech media breaks. Datavault AI Inc., DVLT, launches joke token to protect comedic IP, monetize laughter. Datavault AI Inc., listed on NASDAQ as DVLT, has launched joke token technology to protect comedic intellectual property and monetize laughter. This technology mints a unique digital token for each original joke using blockchain and AI, recording audience response proof of authenticity. The platform integrates with Datavault's information data exchange, enabling smart contract-based monetization for comedians, writers, and clubs. CEO Nathaniel Bradley stated that this solution turns laughs into revenue streams, aiming to bring financial sustainability to the comedy market. Datavault AI specializes in AI experience, valuation, and monetization of assets in the Web 3.0 environment. Learn more about Datavault AI at www.datavaultsite.com.
5,000-plus organizations choose ZeroThreat.ai to secure web apps and APIs with continuous pen testing. ZeroThreat.ai, a leader in advanced application security, has reached a significant milestone with over 5,000 organizations worldwide adopting its automated pentesting platform. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, traditional penetration testing falls short in keeping up with the dynamic nature of modern software. ZeroThreat's continuous pentesting platform combines manual testing with AI-driven automation to provide real-time threat detection and remediation insights. Enterprises choose ZeroThreat.ai for continuous pentesting, sensitive data protection, comprehensive vulnerability coverage, actionable reporting, and easy deployment within existing DevSecOps pipelines. With a proven impact across enterprises, ZeroThreat.ai is revolutionizing how organizations secure their web applications and APIs. Q&A with Brian Gleason, Chief Executive Officer of Seedtag. Brian Gleason, Chief Executive Officer of Seedtag, leads the company's expansion across CTV and the open web, redefining digital advertising through their AI platform, Liz. Seedtag's commitment to privacy-first, AI-driven advertising empowers brands to connect with audiences at the right moment. Gleason's experience at Criteo, GroupM, and Xaxis shapes his vision for Seedtag, focusing on making advertising more human, sustainable, and effective. Seedtag's neurocontextual advertising, powered by agentic AI, understands user interests, intentions, and emotions to deliver meaningful impact. The company's unique approach to CTV advertising and AI intention models drive campaign performance for clients, distinguishing between casual browsing and transactional readiness. As the organization grows, Seedtag remains focused on scaling while advancing privacy-first advertising strategies. Gleason's advice for navigating rapid change in the industry: prioritize the right team, understand client needs, commit to innovation, and love what you do each day.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Technology Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.